Have you ever wondered how to market your business on Instagram? Let's talk about that. Hey there folks, welcome to another episode of BizIQ and You, a video series where we help you, the small business owner, market yourself in the digital age. I am Candace Tyler and I am a digital media associate here at BizIQ, and today I am joined by my lovely co-host here.
Hey Internet, my name is Francesca Reno. I'm the marketing assistant here at BizIQ and I'm excited to be here to help share my expertise.
And expertise on what, may I ask?
I'm glad you asked. Today, Candace and I will be talking about why you should market your business over Instagram. Now, many of you might be wondering, why is it important to even market your business over Instagram? Why is it important to put yourself out there on just another app?
Well, if you aren't on Instagram, you are missing out on a large platform and potential customers. Did you know that in 2018 that there were nearly 1 billion users on Instagram and over 500 million users daily? That means that potentially 500 million people could be interested in the content that you are putting up.
And today, we'll be giving you 6 tips on how to be found on Instagram. Now let's dive in.
First, captions. Now when you're writing a caption, you want to keep the marketing funnel in mind. You want to gear your caption towards one specific section. If you don't know what the marketing funnel is, it's a strategy that's used to take your audience from prospect to customer.
Another helpful tip is to make sure you have the same cohesive voice and tone throughout your entire page. You shouldn't post irrelevant information or content either in captions or in images because you're going to confuse your viewers and your potential customers.
Number 3, Over and InShot are 2 apps that we typically use to create some awesome graphics for our Instagram. Plus, they're free.
Number 4 is all about video. Just because something might be common knowledge to you and seem boring doesn't mean it's that way for your audience. Don't underestimate the power of seeing the inside workings of your business to your customers. They love that stuff, so show them through video.
And number 5, posting cadence. Now, some social media managers will say that you need to be posting 3 times a day. But in our experience, we have found it more helpful to be producing high quality content rather than quantity of content. And whatever cadence you do end up choosing, the key is to stay consistent.
And finally, tip number 6 is about posting on Instagram stories and saving them to highlights. If you're not using Instagram stories, you should be. They're a great way to post content that you don't want to post on your page. It can be about updates, new shipments that are in stock, and just anything about your business. And you can save these to your highlights so that's an organized, categorical option for your customers to browse.